Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Click Traffic Cyclone review video, I'd like to share with you a brand new real buyer's traffic source that has recently launched. I'm a member. I've just joined today, Click Traffic Cyclone, and what this program does, it gets you instant access to real buyer traffic and enables you to finally make your breakthrough of getting both leads and sales online with real buyer traffic. And during the course of this review, I'm going to take you into the members area and just give you some more information on what you can get as a member. And there's an option to become an affiliate. I want to show you how you can earn growing monthly additional income streams with these similar type of offers with these traffic programs. You'll see here I've sold over $2,000 with these offers, and that accounts to nearly $1,000 in commissions. So I'll go into my Warrior Plus account here a bit later on and show you here how you get recurring payments with these type of traffic offers. And I'm also going to show you the 6 different products so you get an affiliate link. I do recommend you become an affiliate because then you can get your traffic for free. And that's what I teach my students, not only how to get automated buyer traffic, but how to get your traffic for free and earn additional income streams. Then you can reinvest into more buyer traffic, more paid traffic, and you can scale up your online business. So we'll have a look at the 6 different products. So you'll just promote one link and you can earn multiple income streams with Click Traffic Cyclone. And I'll take you into I'll show you those different products in a bit more detail, because what you can do is you can earn up to $224 with the upsells. It's a done-for-you funnel. You're just going to promote one link, and then as the customer goes through a journey, you've got the potential to not only earn monthly recurring income, but with the upsells, get into profit fast and get your traffic for free. And there's also a Facebook group, and we'll go into a bit more detail on there. So let's just come back first of all to the owner of this product. So the owner is a gentleman here called Javier. And Javier, when you click the link in the description, this is $4.95 per month. So it's just over $1 a week. And Javier has set this product up because he's become a traffic expert, and he's been online for 4 years, and he really understands traffic. And short video there you can play. And he talks really here about how he's been in the industry for 4 years, how he first struggled, and then he found the blueprint to traffic. So he gives you a money back guarantee. There's no bots. All your traffic's 100% unique. And he's also going to be using, I think it tells you, bear with me further down here. There's just a few screenshots. I like this. What he does here, when you click on here, he'll be promoting your offer within the sales page. So he's put a rotator onto the sales page that prospects can click, and he's going to promote your offer within that rotator. Let's just have a look here. Done for you traffic. So what he's going to be doing is going to be using traffic pulls, but he's also going to be promoting your offer with paid traffic strategies. So I really like that. It's not just free traffic. He's giving you some great bonuses. He talks in the video about this bonus of how he's been generating secret buyers traffic methods, getting set up proven methods. So, and converting email leads are all provided. So he's giving away in these bonuses his 4 years of experience and passing that information and those words of wisdom and experience onto you. And again, just for the price of just over $1 a week at $4.95 per month is the cost. So let's go into the members area now. So first of all, let's just have a look. Let's just say you want to be a customer and you don't want to be an affiliate. So Javier's done a video there giving you an overview. And then what you do, you go into setting up the rotator. So if you want to be a customer, he's given you step-by-step instructions. It's really simple. All you do is get the URL that you want to promote and you put that into an email to him. He's got a support email there as well. So all you do is put your URL website you want to promote and you email that to Javier, and then he will put that rotate in that your link, your offer into the rotator for you. So that's really where you are as a customer. Let's say you want to be an affiliate. So what you do if you want to be an affiliate, again, he's given you an overview video here. He's very transparent. He goes on camera. He's very transparent about it's hosted on the Warrior Plus account. So you just click on here to promote and you get your affiliate link. And then if we go back to joining the community, so he's created a Facebook group, which I'll just come to over here. And the Facebook group, so you'll see it's very brand new here. And if I just minimize these little windows here, so it's brand new. There's 14 members. And then this is going to be a group of testimonials, training, support. So not only a done-for-you affiliate funnel, but it's also going to be a done with you. So even if you're brand new or you're an absolute beginner and you never made your first dollar online, this can be a great product where you're going to get buyers traffic to your offer. And you're also going to get all the help and support and training that you need. So I'll mentor you one-to-one if you want me to mentor you. But this group will grow as the affiliate membership grows and the product membership grows. And we're all here as a group to help and support you and help you become successful with Click Traffic Cyclone. So let's just go back into, I think we're in this one here. And then there's the upgrades. So these are, I'll just come to this on another video. These are what you call the upsells. So you're just going to promote one link, and there are the bonuses there again that I just showed you on the sales page. So let's have a look at why I recommend you promote these offers as an affiliate. First of all, you can get your buyer traffic for free with Click Traffic Cyclone. So once you've referred 2 paying members, then your traffic is for free. And after that, everything else is going to be profit. Now, what you'll see here is I'm promoting some other similar offers. I promote Click Engine, I promote Traffic Blaster Pro, I could promote ClickStrain. Don't be deterred by a refund here. So you're going to get the occasional refund. That's the industry average. I think out of 210 commissions I've earned, I think I've just had 2 refunds. So it's a very, very low refund rate. But let's have a look at this arrow here. Recurring payment number 7, recurring payment number 7. So what you'll see is you've got a high retention of members. Now what that means to you as an affiliate, that means that the members are happy with the product. So all these little circular arrows down the right hand side are all monthly recurring payments that have come in from these offers. And the reason that they're happy is because they're getting automated buyer traffic to their offers, and it's low cost. And the majority of these become affiliates, get into profit fast. So what that means for you, that means that you're going to be you can earn a growing monthly recurring income with these type of offers. I'm not going to go through the whole page. I've done lots of other videos and playlists. If you go onto my YouTube channel, you'll see all my proof videos and all my playlists that I put under my videos. But the message I'm getting across here to you is these are high converting. So 210 items, that's the amount of commissions I've earned with these products. And I've probably referred, I think in total, maybe about 50, maybe 60 members to these offers. So 150 of these sales have come from recurring commissions, and they've come from the upsells. So when you promote one link, the customer goes through a journey. And this one here is where the customer can put 2 URLs, which a lot of customers do. I think with the click engine, there's a 38% 38% conversion with upsells. So people like to put more than one URL. Jeff Aitman was talking in a previous video. And some of these are higher upsells. Look at this one here for $29.99. So this is how you get into profit fast with these kind of offers. If you're paying $4.99 per month and you get a $34 upsell, so you're getting 4 months membership paid for straight away. And there's some other big ones here. The one here at $64.90. So again, I'm not going to go through the whole list because I've done lots of other videos on my channel and in my playlist on these products. But the message I'm trying to get across here is that these are very high converting because it's a high demand product. Everyone needs traffic. And if you can get autopilot buyers traffic, that's even better. And there's a very high retention because the products, the members are very happy, and a lot of the members are affiliates. They get into profit and they remain members, which gives you a solid and stable monthly recurring income. Let's have a look at the products inside Click Traffic Cyclone. So you're going to get one link, like I've got my link here. And if I click on products, you can see here the prices and the commissions. And OTO means one-time offer. So when the customer joins Click Traffic Cyclone, that's going to be a monthly recurring commission, 50% every 30 days. But these upsells here, it goes as high as you go from $14 for one upsell, one-time offer. Then you go to $19.95, then $25. And all of these products are giving the customer value. They're going to help the customer build their business faster. This one here is $64, and he's even put a $97 upsell in there. And these are the commissions in this column here that you learn at 50%. So when you go into onto this page here, this sort of gives you a bit more detail of what these products are. So the first one is double the buyer traffic. And again, like I said before, with Click Engine, that's a 38% conversion. A lot of customers want to get double the buyer traffic by putting 2 URLs in there. The next one is Click Traffic Cyclone Typhoon. The next one is a stealth bundle. Then you've got an advanced case study. So this is by Javier himself. And the last one here is a VIP, so a very important person, VIP Gold Rotator FB group. So this one really is for your more serious affiliate marketers. So let's have a look here at the Facebook group. So so far 14 members, so very new. Javier has told me personally within Messenger that he's going to be very hands-on within this group, helping all his members. I'm a member of this group now, and you're going to get some very experienced and serious affiliate marketers that are going to be here to help you succeed as an affiliate with Click Traffic Cyclone. And also you're going to get your questions answered. If you've got any questions as a customer, there is a support email desk, and also you can ask questions as a customer in here as well. And if you want to be an affiliate, as a thank you for watching this video all the way through today, I'm going to give you this free ebook so you can use some strategies from a 7-figure earner to promote Click Traffic Cyclone and really boost your affiliate commissions and your sales. So it's a free download, and I'm going to put a link in the description to this free ebook. And if you've got so if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And with the YouTube algorithm, that will help other people see this video as well. And if you want to see more videos from me, then please click subscribe and click the bell icon. And I'm doing new videos every single week. I'm doing several new videos every week at the moment. And there's now over, I think, about 750 videos now on the channel. If you've got any questions at all on Click Traffic Cyclone, put those in the comments below. I am a new member, but I'm going to be going through the back office today and getting everything all set up. And I'm probably going to do some more reviews, more in-depth reviews on the program and affiliate program itself. And I'll do updated proof videos. I like to do that to show that everything that I promote actually works and you can earn money from it, or if you're using the tools and the resources, you're going to get value from those as well. I'll also put my email address within the description if you want to contact me via email. So if you click the link in the description, that will take you to this page here, and you can have a look at the bonuses you're going to get, and you can watch the overview video here. Just go to the top here. You can watch the video by Javier and get to know him, and if it's of interest for you, we can show you how to get buyer traffic and also get your traffic for free and earn a growing monthly additional income stream. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this review today. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.